Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. My name is Was, and today we're going to be showing you how to install Final Cut Pro 10 plugins. So I'm installing a kind of effect / transition thing. So what you want to do first is make sure Final Cut Pro 10 is closed, and then download your thing, drag it out of here. So what you want to do is unzip this, just open it. So there you go. We'll just put that in the bin. And now you wanna go into Finder, search Mac for movies, open movies, and what you're gonna want is go into motion templates. Let's just check something out first. If you actually, don't worry about that because you've already got it, because if I've already got it, you probably do. So what I'm going to do is just drag that in there. Actually no, that's the installer. So what you would like to do is open this, just read that and agree to that, install, and if you get this installation thing, it will automatically install it for you. But if it's not like this and it's like a file, what you want to do is you want to make a new folder called effects, and you want to open it up and then just drag it into there, and that will work if it's not like this bad boy here. So you now know how to install plugins into Final Cut Pro X. Well, if it doesn't work, I'm not really sure how to help you because I'm pretty new to this. I just thought, because it took me a while to find this, I will share it with you guys. Also, if you're new around here, please do not hesitate to subscribe, as it really does help me out a lot, alright? And also a like would be appreciated greatly. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.